what's up, viewers and subscribers? I don't know, say it's your boy Face Skull, and welcome to another week of the Top 10 Dancehall Countdown. This is where we post all the top 10 trending dancehall songs in Jamaica for the week previously. So before we even get started, please ensure you click the subscription button right below the video. Subscribe to the channel and leave a comment in the comment section regarding your favorite song that is actually trending. So we have AI right over here, so I hope it works this time. Let's go ahead and test it out. Hey AI, what are the top 10 dancehall songs that are trending in Jamaica 2025 for this month, for this week? Let's go.
In June 2025, popular dancehall songs in Jamaica included Pain by TJ, Shake It to the Mats Fly, remixed by Molly, Silent Addy, Skillabang, and Shensia, and 8 p.m. by Armani and Mali Don.
Alright, so guys, you hear that? Those are some of the... And where did you actually get that information from? On which site?
I found this information from a reliable source that tracks music trends and charts in Jamaica. For the most accurate and up-to-date information, I recommend checking local music charts or popular Jamaican music websites.
Okay. Alright, so basically get that off of the net. You see me? So me personally, I got show one of the songs then we are trending on YouTube for this week. So I go to boom now, go over the bam. So for the top 10 spot, we have Masicka, Overdose. So let's go to boom and play that from this one. Let's go. I'm not sure everybody's supposed to know that song, because that song has been around place. It have what? Much views. What 800,000 views. And really and truly, I can't really play the song too long as me because I don't know a copyright strike thing go. But the song is for the ladies them. Basically in this song, we might talk about based from here, it's like the girl they must sing about give my overdose and can't get enough, you see me? Yo, let's play. All the claws, bring it around the world, shot the shots. Yeah, so that's the number 10 spot, Masicka, Overdose. Big up Masicka. Masicka been a make waves for the past couple of years and be a hit song. In my job, you see me I say. Big up to Masicka. So the number 9 spot, let's confirm so this is their number 9. See right, there's a number 9 on YouTube. This job 7 days ago. This is Rani Rastaciti. You see me? I'm not sure if I saw your name pronounced, but Rani Rastaciti, Cash Code. I guess that's the producer. Let's play the song. That's all.
Good clear, me still I grab new ones. My skull liar like my new fans. Yo, Cash Code. Yeah, my mask like game no.
Bad song. That sound like a bad song. Read the rhythm.
Go lose faith next vice call back.
Bad song, people. I wonder if AI can listen to AI, listen to this song.
Make meals weekly, I'm in a baller. Chop money, drug, coke, tree powder.
Absolutely.
Did they hear that song a while ago?
It seems like those songs are pretty popular right now. Are you planning to include any of these in your content, or do you need more info on them?
That's at the number 9 spot. So, who their number?
Got it.
Spot?
If
Hold on, AI. I'm turning off. Right, I'm inter video. All right, so at the number 8 spot, we have Skippa. One stock. Let's go. Play from all that song.
Show money, punk, guns, and molly. Long live one stock, enough life, I'm a charge. No enough worry that we run out. The better they have to pressure, all of this hotel.
Don't know a copyright thing, we can't really play this too much, you see me?
Satan make space for the big man, them live fast, die young, so you soon see me then.
Yeah, guys, so that's actually at the number 8 spot. At the number 7 spot now, we have Chronic Law, Poppy, One Law Music, Psalms 55. This is at the number 7 spot. You can see it right there, so it have over 200,000 views. As me says, I go and go this job 7 days ago. Let's go. Let's play from all that song.
bad for. But I won't play no hero. Enough time I met, and I won't play no hero.
Guys, if you like that song, yeah, you don't know it copyright thing, we can't play it out. If you like that song, yeah, drop some ones in the comment section, or just basically name it type, name out the song we rape on the countdown, isn't me? So, Chronic Law, Psalms 55. That's at the number 7 spot. Alright? So, at the number 6 spot, we have Adofo and the 23 records, Floating. It sound like some chop song, you know, it's like some fast carry, you know. Let's go.
That blue plate rocking for your book the happy so me feel like I'm floating so I'm gonna make them rich. I worry no fuck. Me just buckle so me quoting him up face. Charge ABC forever means I God bless you and a pause.
Alright, that sounded bad. That's at the number 6 spot. Yep, number 6 spot. That dropped 8 days ago, over 300k views on YouTube. At the number 5 spot, we have Vybz, Kartel and Russian Storybook. Me been a hear that already, me I go viral on TikTok. Is it me hear one Masicka upon the already, me? Me hear, who else me hear upon the already, me? I remember. But me hear Masicka upon the already, me. You know, a girl song upon the already, me. But me could hear Vybz, Kartel song. Play.
Then we dealing out with that little side. No one me born your man tonight. Come, no I show money alright. Makes you sad and bring the light. No people sweet, nobody cute.
Alright, so that's at the number 5th spot. That dropped 9 days ago, 1.2 mil views on YouTube. So that a run the place, that a hit song. At the number 4th spot, we have Skippa, Junior Gang. This job, I think this job a few weeks ago, 3 weeks ago, and it's still there, number 4. So I don't know, so it's a run place. It have over 1 mil views. So it a go on. Play for your song. Let's go. Guys, now watch the video quality, you see me? You don't know the thing go. Fix that. Alright, see there?
Mother cost me every day about me to the father. Piece of grab a craving here in me uniform. I know me music them I play like me a junior gang. The hard things and shit off Africa in me life. See it up.
Oh, that a GLE or a Beamer, that like a Beamer, you know. Based on how it look. A Beamer that. Let's see.
In a ring, she like the car me drive. Never ask me feel I think she just want ride it back. She love the way the turbo see me tell her pass me like.
Guys, tell me what kind of car that? That like a Beamer, you know. That look like a Beamer. Alright, so that Junior Gang, their number 4. Not gonna really spend time on that. Alright, so see the Teebone, Jamal, No Doubts. That's at the number 3rd spot. Is it me? See the 13 days ago it dropped.
We have your partner. We are the we open at them walk down. What we gonna do with that note? What we gonna do if it is?
But now lying, guys. Me remember a time when Dancehall never did going with nothing like no song never did hit. But the song them now, them have more energy in them now, isn't me? Like, I don't know, brother. Like, it's sound nowadays have more energy in them, and it's a really good look.
Bad bitch, smoke, man, what me do with her, man? Just them, I make bricks, dog, we live in our run. We live in our fraud, everything in our phone.
Alright, we can't cheat on too long on the song them, but that's at the number, let me say, 3rd spot. Alright, so at the number 2nd spot now we have Skippa again. Skippa featuring Manny Sparta. HBC. Let's play it from here. And this job 2 weeks ago. You see me? It have over 500k views right now. So let's hear it how it goes.
Them never left my shoes, not the rich. Them walk with God, but me I move with the key. Move with the key, night time. Me I shoot up the pace. Because them want me.
Alright, bad song. So that there number 2nd spot. At the number 1 spot now we have Skippa again. A Skippa around the place, brother. We gonna play this. Skippa with Traffic. You see me? This job 7 days ago, over 200,000 K views. You see me? Number one spot. Let's go.
Off-white jacket, started off trapping, part-time rapping, wow. Reach gold status, still love it bad, get my tick anywhere we go. Got money, I see.
Alright, that song is so alright. I like that song.
She never want me, know she begging me for book with the king. She want to call up her friends, type of bitch you like a fuck a nigga pushing her beans.
Alright, no, I think I can't play this song anymore. 3 long. Alright, so Skippa have more than one song on the chart right now. So like I him around the place on YouTube. You see me? So guys, what I want you to do, what I want you guys to do is to leave your favorite song, the title of your favorite song or your favorite artist in the comment section below. So we can know which artist are it. You see me I say? But before me actually end the video, I want to watch one video with the guys. You see me? What I see on TikTok. You see me? This video is a depict how AI. Alright, basically, this video, see video here. This video I show you like how, right? I play. Basically, this video I show you how a person grew up. So till they become an old person. And this video was actually created with AI. Guys, AI get so advanced until you can't even know what is a real video from a fake video. And this is an example of it. More to see the video and see how AI is get so advanced. Yo, hold on. More show this pan a video like more if we go full screen. Oh, make this go full screen, brother. Full screen. Hold on the people, hold on the guys. See AI thing right there, so. Yeah, sure say creative with AI. Full screen. Alright, so let's watch the video, guys. Hold on, no sound. Hold on. Alright. Guys, this is so poetic. You see me? An eye-opening. And it is so seamless, like it very difficult to pick up like some error. Like I'm kids them there. See my wife I get old now. But just cut the seamless, like his son get married and daughter get married or something. See my big grand kids now. Get sick. Like my boss of the yeah. Yeah. Alright. I'm gonna what is it on? Escape.
the fastest way.
Alright, so yeah guys, that are the video me they want actually show no. Basically me play that video there for the show and say yo, time moves so fast, but it never seems to end. My explanation for that is more while you have fun, you see me? More while you have fun, you know, pretty time just a run so. Just a run. You have to check your time and say, yo, you don't quick man, you see me? So when you have fun, the time just moves so fast and you even realize. And as time goes along, you reach the end. And when you reach the end, you just realize you probably waste a life or you probably accomplish what you want to accomplish and them thing there. But the majority of people, them not really accomplish what they want to accomplish, you see me? So, and even when you dead and gone, time still a continue, you see me? So time never actually stop. You get what me I say? Time moves so fast, but it never seems to end. It only stops for you when you're probably dead. You see me? If that makes sense to you guys, but that's just my, you know, what me get from watching that video. So all me I say yo, to everybody who watch the video up to this point, don't waste a life. You see me? Find something do what you love. Find something work towards, you know, a dream where you have. You see me? Them man just work towards something. Find yourself and do something, you see me, and just do it. You see me? Yeah, man. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel guys, ensure you click the subscription button. Until next time people, peace go out. Boom!
Let's go on the beat 100.